are you guys excited for your Skittle experiment today?
Yeah, shall we do it now?
Yes, so today we're gonna do a Skittles rainbow experiment.
Okay, shall we do the rainbow?
And to do the Skittle experiment, what do you need?
Water, milk and water and Skittles.
Yes, so you need a white plate, a bag of Skittles, and some warm water. But we're gonna add a little twist. We're gonna try with some warm milk as well to see what it does to the Skittles. So are we ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay, let's get started. So the first step, we're gonna put all the Skittles around the plate.
Okay, shall we do it?
You guys wanna do it? Yeah, go ahead.
That's a lot of...
Okay, now the next step is for you to add some water to your plate.
Okay.
A little bit, little more. Or you can ask a grown-up to help you to add the water. That's enough, Cheyenne. Do you want to give it to Ian? Now, Ian made the letter G for his rainbow experiment. Okay, that's enough, Ian. That's enough. Okay, now you wait and see what happens to the color, okay? Yes, and look at all the colors are coming out of the Skittles. So the Skittles top cover is food coloring. So all the colors are dissolving in the water. And then here's iron G, which is also dissolving in the water. See what's happening? Look at the rainbow. Your rainbow is coming up.
How we put some water? How we put some milk in there?
Milk is the next one. Let's see what happens.
Look
Okay, see what's happening over here.
It's
a rainbow forming to the letter G. And Ian is having fun eating the Skittles while waiting for the rainbow to finish. Look at this, Cheyenne.
Is it almost done?
Not yet. See?
Mine is not my and not done yet too.
See the rainbow is coming. See what's happening? See all the color dissolved in the water. Now it's white. See if you turn the Skittles around, they have a little bit of color, but all of them, the food color got dissolved in the warm water. Okay, now Cheyenne is gonna try the warm milk and see what happens to the Skittles. Okay, that's enough, Cheyenne. Okay, now we get to wait and see what happens to the milk and the Skittles.
But can I drink it?
Yeah.
Why can you?
The milk. Look, the colors are very light on this one. The
No,
milk.
I didn't want to put milk right there. I didn't want to wait.
Yes, Ian. You look what happened to your G. All the color dissolved in the water. What difference do you see, Cheyenne, between the water? This is the water and this is the milk. Do you see any difference?
I cannot see. Ooh, I can see the water. I like water, not milk. Can I mix this?
So the water, look, the colors are brighter, right? And the milk color is very light. The rainbow color, look, it's very, very light color. And this one is turning up to really, really bright colors, right? Rainbow is forming from the top. Did you see that?
Yeah.
See, the top has a more rainbow color than the bottom.
Can I use